This is the guide how to get Huy Hawan Marine Park. First, you take MTR and Choi Hong MTR station. Then, exit C2. Go straight. And then turn left side. Makikita mo dyan ang 1A bus, minibus station. Note guys, we will take 2 minibus going to Huy Hawan. And this is the first minibus we will take. At bababa tayo ng last station, Saikong bus station. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to take video the minibus number 7. Yes, this is the second minibus going to Huy Hawan. I think it takes 30 minutes going to Huy Hawan. And yes, this is the last station of Huy Hawan Marine Park. If you want to rent a kayak here.
How much kayak, auntie?
One kayak, it costs 160 for 2 person. Oh yes, yung kayak ay nasa gilid ng dagat, pero kailangan nyo pa rin magdala ng paddle at saka magdala ng life vest papunta doon sa may dagat. The water here is very calm. Napakalma po ng tubig dito. For beginner para sa kayak, napakaganda po talaga ng magkayak dito kasi napakakalmado po ng tubig. At saka maganda din siya maligo kasi para kung hindi ka marunong lumangoy, ang ganda po niya kasi hindi siya malalim, ang baba lang niya.